Welcome back, YouTubers, to Pappy's Pappy Can Do It YouTube channel. I'm Pappy. Mimi's the recording there. As you can see, we have a big box here on the table. This is something I received for Christmas from Curtis and Kenzie and Caden. It is a Porter cable air compressor. I'm excited about this. Porter cable is the brand. It has 150 max PSI, pounds per square inch. It says that it weighs about 30 pounds. We're going to weigh it and see how heavy it is. It has a 6-gallon air capacity. It is made in USA, and it's an oilless machine, so that makes it pretty awesome. I've not unpackaged this yet. This is how it comes packaged. It comes with the instruction book, and I'm going to go ahead and unpackage it now. Very easy. So, it has a handy dandy carrying handle here. And it has two here, so you can put one in or two hand. It has the tank pressure gauge, then it has the regulator pressure gauge. This is the air coming out of the hose. You turn it by this valve right here. This one has a dual hookup, which is cool. I've not seen one with duals. So, I'm going to weigh it. I weighed myself this morning, and I'm going to subtract this. According to that, it's about 29 pounds. About 29 pounds. So, it has a drain cock on the bottom. I'm going to close it. It has thick rubber pads here. It's going to keep it from anti-vibrating and shaking everywhere. So this machine has not been plugged in before. We're going to do that right now and see how long it takes for it to completely air up. So, according to the clock right now, it's 29 after. Okay, 150 pounds, it kicked off. It's been 2.5, 3 minutes. As you can see, this is the hose. This regulates the air pressure that's going out of the hoses. You can lower it or raise it, whatever you want to do. Another neat asset this has is the pop-off valve here. So you just pull that. Let's see how fast. Maybe it's not hard enough. See how fast it recovers. So that's the review on the Porter cable. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up right now. So right now I give it 2 thumbs up. We're having troubles with our camera today, so this is going to be a choppy video probably. But right now I think it's awesome. The size of it, the weight of it, the 2 handles. She can carry it, I can carry it. It's got the 2 ports here. Everything about it I love. It's quiet. Probably doesn't sound like it on the camera, but relatively it is quiet. And I'm excited to get this out in the shop and make some furniture with it. I'll do some reviews later on that. But anyway, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And I appreciate it. And also check out Millennial Hardware. That's where this came from. Millennial Hardware on YouTube.